Well, you definitely need the sunglasses today. It is bright out there after that 4 to 7 inches of snow, and it's blustery. The wind blowing that snow right off the trees that we got yesterday, so it's kind of like blowing back onto your clean driveway that you shoveled, and you need a jacket. It is cold temperatures only in the teens, that gusty westerly wind at 15 to 30, keeping wind chills near zero. Brr, but at least the sun's out for now. There's more snow to come. We have a winter weather advisory for all of southern Wisconsin. We'll talk more about that coming up.